Meaning of Greene King.
Greene King.
Greene King.
Greene King.
Greene King. Greene King is a UK-based brewery and pub company founded in 1799 by Benjamin Greene. The company's name is derived from the surnames of its founders, Greene and King. Greene King has over 1,700 pubs across the UK, making it the country's largest pub retailer and brewer. The company's portfolio includes a range of beer brands, such as Old Speckled Hen and Abbot Ale, as well as pub brands like Hungry Horse and Chef and Brewer. Greene King has won numerous awards for its beer and hospitality offerings, solidifying its position as a leading player in the UK's pub industry.